Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when using our devices. Insert problem here. Whether you encounter this issue on your phone, laptop, or tablet, it can be frustrating to deal with. But fear not, as we have a solution that will help you resolve this pesky problem once and for all. Let's talk about the solution now. By following the steps provided before, you'll be able to tackle this problem head-on and get your device back to its optimal state. Remember to carefully implement each step to ensure a successful outcome. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to fix this issue once you know the right approach. Now that you have the solution at your fingertips, you can say goodbye to the days of dealing with insert problem here. Feel free to re-watch this video or share it with your friends who might also benefit from this helpful advice. And as always, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech issues you'd like us to cover. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!